Hi everyone, I'm Jazz and welcome to another episode of our I Love Kamaya podcast. Now, we all know that Kamaya Coast is a mixed-use development property here in Bataan. And these days, more and more people are into investments and finding ways on how to utilize their finances or resources, even after the pandemic. Now, for today's episode, we'll have a real estate investment 101 featuring Kamaya Sky. But of course, you need to do your research when investing in a real estate property. Always guys, don't scrimp on this part. Syempre, dapat maganda ang location. Dapat accessible. And take note, when we talk about accessibility, it's not just via land, it's also by air and by sea. And of course, dapat magaling at mapagkakatiwalaan ang developer. Because whether you're single or you have a family or maybe you're thinking of your retirement, it's always wise to choose a real estate investment with a good location, good accessibility, and of course, a good developer, just like Kamaya Coast. Now, just look at the great views, guys, of the sea and the mountains here, right at the heart of Bataan. Doesn't it tell you enough how good Kamaya Coast's location is? And yes, Kamaya Coast is so accessible, whether by land, by sea, or by air. It's just a few hours drive from Manila via the newest and finest highways that we have. And if you've passed them, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Ang sarap dumaan ngayon sa expressway. And you get to enjoy Kamaya Coast's beauty, its amenities, and fun-filled activities na parang ang lapit-lapit lang dahil nga ang pleasant ng daan. Or, you might want to try a faster route. You can take a quick ferry ride from Manila. It's only a couple of hours. Just hop on the ferry from Esplanade at the Mall of Asia and get off right at Kamaya Coast's beach. That's right, wala na kayong sasakyan na additional. You get off right here at Kamaya Coast. And here's one more thing for you guys. We'll have our very own airport here soon. You heard me right. You see, ang galing ng Kamaya Coast with their vision of creating the Kamaya Premium Airstrip Development. At hindi na nanatiling vision yan, guys, dahil last year pa, we tested the runway na. Tama? Yep, you heard it right. May eroplano pong tinest kung makakapag-take off at landing na sa Kamaya pad. That's fantastic. Now, keep in mind then, now when you choose a property to invest in, the developer should continuously improve its accessibility and connectivity. And you have it here. Traveling to and from Kamaya Coast is hassle-free and worry-free. And of course, lastly, you need to consider a good developer. You see, Kamaya Coast is actually a 2,000-hectare land that is segmented into 3 stations. Where we are now is Kamaya Station 1. Then we have Station 2 and also Station 3. Lahat yan may mga gagandang plans of developing residential, commercial, transport, and leisure properties sa napakagandang lugar na to sa loob ng now flourishing economic zone of Bataan. So imagine, you get to have a home by the beach or the mountains na malapit ka sa nature, pero you still get all the conveniences of living in the city. Kasi you have restaurants, you're gonna have malls, so it's the best of both worlds and even more. Imagine the possibilities, diba? Now, wait, sino ba dito ang mountain person? Kasi have you ever dreamed of waking up to such a glorious mountain view? Tapos maririnig mo yung mga ibon freely flying in the sky. Tapos maririnig mo yung waves of the ocean and you feel the mountain breeze while you sip a cup of coffee. Oh, sounds like perfection. It sounds like a dream. But when you see Kamaya Sky, you will know that's not just a dream. And you've just got to live there. The beauty, the tranquility, the livability, and even the comfort and safety you get are the value of Kamaya Sky. It's such a perfect place to rest your mind, your body, and your spirit. And when you get all these, you definitely know that you have a home. So if you want to know more about Kamaya Sky and the Kamaya Coast community, you may visit our website at www.realestate.kamayacoast.com. We also have a